Did you know that while most kids were playing with Legos, a teenager in Miami was building a fully functional robotic prosthetic arm in his bedroom? This isn't science fiction. This is the story of Ivan Yaeger, the real-life Iron Man who revolutionized how we think about human capability. Stay with us as we explore in-depth biographies of influential figures and discover the journeys of icons in science and business. We are going to explore the untold stories behind the headlines, revealing the struggles and triumphs that defined Ivan's legacy. You'll see how he overcame adversity to pave the way for future generations. We're even getting a peek into his personal life, his wealth, his luxury home, and the business empire he built from scratch. From private tours of high-tech moments to behind-the-scenes footage, we're showing you a side of fame you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive into the amazing story of Ivan Yaeger. To understand the genius, we have to go back to the vibrant streets of Miami, Florida. Growing up in the late 70s, Ivan wasn't just interested in how things worked. He was obsessed with improving them. While his peers were focused on sports or music, Ivan was dismantling electronics to understand the internal logic of the machine. The true turning point came when he realized that technology could be more than just a tool. It could be a biological extension of the human body. By the time he hit high school, he wasn't just a student. He was a pioneer. In 1982, he debuted the first iteration of the Yaeger Arm for a science fair, a moment that would change his life forever. But how does a teenager get the attention of the world's top medical minds? The answer involves a basement, a few motors, and a lot of late nights. You won't believe what happened when he first turned that arm on. The Yaeger Arm wasn't just a piece of plastic. It was a masterpiece of sensors and electric controls. At a time when most prosthetics were static or purely cosmetic, Ivan's design responded to the user through sophisticated feedback loops. He was pioneering the idea that a limb should communicate with the person wearing it, using a system that translated muscle signals into mechanical motion. This wasn't just engineering. It was a movement toward true bionics. However, the road to innovation was paved with obstacles. As a young black inventor in the 80s, Ivan faced a tech world that wasn't always ready for his brilliance. He had to fight for every patent and every ounce of recognition against a backdrop of systemic doubt. Yet, his triumph spoke louder than the critics. He didn't just win awards. He changed the lives of people who had lost hope in regaining their mobility. Ivan knew that an invention only changes the world if it reaches the people. So he founded the Yaeger Wheelchair and Prosthetics Design Company. This wasn't just a small-town shop. It became a beacon of high-tech entrepreneurship. As the business grew, so did Ivan's influence and his net worth. We're talking about a business empire built on the foundation of helping others, proving that social good and financial success can go hand in hand. This success allowed him to live the life of a modern visionary, with luxury homes and the financial freedom to keep dreaming bigger. But innovation always pays with a price. It wasn't all smooth sailing. Coming up, we look at the legal and social hurdles that almost cost Ivan everything. Success often invites scrutiny, and for Ivan, the gatekeepers of the medical establishment were his biggest hurdle. He was an outsider, a young man from Miami challenging billion-dollar industries with a design he perfected as a teenager. He faced skepticism at every turn, often having to prove his designs 10 times more than his competitors to secure the same level of trust. Balancing the roles of a CEO, a lead engineer, and a public figure meant the pressure was constant. But Ivan used that pressure to forge a legacy. He understood that being a black man in a high-tech field meant he was carrying the hopes of future generations on his shoulders. He didn't just break the glass ceiling. He redesigned the entire building. Beyond the lab and the boardrooms, Ivan's life in Florida is defined by a deep connection to his family and a disciplined daily routine. He's a man who starts his day with a clear vision and ends it by mentoring the next generation of engineers. His home is a reflection of his journey, a space where luxury meets creativity, filled with the prototypes of his past and the blueprints of his future. He hasn't forgotten where he came from, often using his success to fund community programs and inspire kids who look just like he did in 1982. Ivan didn't just build arms, he built a legacy of empowerment. But what does his lab look like today? We're taking you inside for a private tour of where the magic happens next. Today, the influence of the Yaeger Arm can be seen in almost every modern smart prosthetic on the market. Ivan's early work with sensors laid the groundwork for the AI-integrated limbs we see today, bridging the gap between man and machine. His story is more than just a biography. It's a blueprint for anyone with a dream and a toolkit. Through the Yaeger Foundation, his impact continues to grow, ensuring that the spirit of innovation remains accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. He remains a titan of industry and a hero in the world of science. As we look deeper into his business empire, we see a man who mastered the art of the pivot. When the market changed, Ivan changed with it, expanding his reach into custom wheelchair designs and specialized medical equipment that set new industry standards. This level of success brought about a lifestyle of absolute refinement. From high-end real estate to private collections of engineering marvels, Ivan's wealth is a testament to the value of intellectual property. He showed the world that a black inventor could not only create, but also own and scale his brilliance into a multi-generational fortune. The discipline required to maintain this level of excellence is staggering. Ivan's routine involves hours of deep work, often beginning long before the sun rises over the Miami coast. He treats his mind like the precision instruments he builds, constantly refining his knowledge of new materials and emerging technologies like 3D printing and neural linking. This commitment to lifelong learning is what kept him ahead of the curve for over 4 decades. He is a living bridge between the analog world of the 80s and the digital frontier of today. In his personal life, Ivan is known for his humility, despite his massive achievements. He often speaks about the importance of family as the ultimate anchor in a fast-paced corporate world. His home isn't just a display of wealth. It's a sanctuary for innovation, where his children and grandchildren are encouraged to question everything. This family-first philosophy has allowed him to navigate the stresses of the tech industry without losing his core identity. He is a man who values the quiet moments of connection just as much as the loud applause of a keynote stage. The struggles he faced weren't just about technology, they were about visibility. For years, the story of the Yaeger Arm was pushed to the sidelines of mainstream tech history. Ivan had to become his own biggest advocate, traveling the country to demonstrate his inventions and prove their efficacy. He faced intellectual property battles that would have crushed a lesser person. Yet, he emerged with his patents intact and his reputation strengthened. These battles didn't make him bitter. They made him a sharper businessman. Looking at his net worth and financial success, it's clear that Ivan Yaeger is one of the most successful independent inventors of our time. He bypassed the traditional venture capital routes that often strip founders of their control, choosing instead to grow his company organically. This decision allowed him to maintain the integrity of his designs and ensure they remained affordable for the people who needed them most. His business model is now studied as a masterclass in ethical capitalism and self-reliance. As we move toward the future, the Yaeger name is synonymous with the next frontier of human augmentation. He is currently working on projects that involve integrating biological sensors with augmented reality, a move that could redefine how we interact with the physical world entirely. His lab in Miami remains a hub of activity, where the next generation of engineers works under his direct guidance. The torch is being passed, but Ivan's hand is still firmly on the rudder, steering the ship toward a more inclusive and technologically advanced horizon. Ivan Yaeger proved that with a vision and a few sensors, you can change the world. He didn't just see a disability. He saw an opportunity for innovation. His journey from a Miami bedroom to the heights of global business is a testament to the power of persistence. If you found Ivan's story as inspiring as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs to see that anything is possible. Comment below. Which part of Ivan's tech was most impressive to you? Thanks for watching, and stay with us for our next deep dive into the icons who shaped our world.